Good morning. Still on way. It's a bit weird because it's hot in here. So we're all packed up. We're going on a cruise. So our bus isn't getting us till 12. So we're going to go to Hollywood Studios and use some of our last snack credits. We bought a load of snacks yesterday with some of them. But our bag's getting picked up at 8. So once that's done, which is like 4 minutes, we're going to head. We shall see you our journey. My bathroom. I'm not coming back here with my dog, Key West. By Beach Club. I'm just checking all the... Oops, I nearly forgot the rose gold ears. So you're triple checking everything now. Anything left in the safe?
No, it's empty.
So the parks are actually open till 9. So we're sitting on the swing and on the beach. Mark's drinking. A bit spooky. Nice and chill, hardly anyone around. Come to the Boardwalk Bakery and use the quick service credit. So we've got 2 hand chocolates and I bought a Diet Coke. Num num and a num num. Nice view. Hello Disney's Hollywood Studios. Just gone 10 to 9, so I think they're letting people in, but not on the rides yet.
Oh, go give her a big hug.
Yeah, so I think they're letting people in, but not on the rides. So which is fine. We've got a fast pass for Tower of Terror and then Toy Story Mania. So let's do this.
Right again.
Mark with his Mickey Mouse ice cream sandwich. I've just been on Tower of Terror, really good. It's got some more rose gold ears in the shop down towards there. I don't think maybe we'll know about because there's no one running after. So we're about to go on Toy Story Mania. Mark's delicious food.
Better believe eyes are on you. It will not be easy to crush the resistance, but it will be satisfying. Advance.
Time for some Toy Story. Mark's won every single game we've done, so I've got everything. So I'm hoping I can try and retain some self-respect back.
Well, I'm going to try some different tactics this time, so you might get lucky.
Toy Story Mania, and they take us down a new path to the new track. I lost. Again.
I won. Again. If you shoot the lava, it spews out loads of stuff.
What, in the volcano?
Yeah.
He googled it before that, so technically he cheated.
Yeah, but that didn't help me win.
Yes it did.
Nah.
We're heading out. Bye bye Disney Park. Hello Disney Cruise. We shall see you in 5 days. We're waiting for the bus. And look at this fish, it's huge. I see a bus through the trees. And it's a Disney Cruise one. Here it is, here it is. It's the Disney Cruise ship bus. Excited?
Yeah, man.
Fucking Disney Cruise bus. I see a ship. Here's our ship. checked in and weighed and board the ship, but look at this huge model of it. It's cool. And to get on the ship, you go through the huge Mickey, which is what we're going to do now. So we're about to board. Look at this. I think it's, yeah, perfect. Thank you. So you can get your photo taken there, but we're not going to because the photo packages are ridiculous. That's all the luggage going in. Oops, all 4 of ours are there. And they have all the candy. Oh, I'm excited. All Halloween stuff. This is cool. So this is like the main lobby, I guess. So we have just arrived in our room. We actually upgraded to a balcony a few weeks back, so that's nice. I think we marked the opening on that now. So we've got our bed. This is a second bed, but we don't need it, so it's just a sofa. Marked opening the balcony. Okay, we go. Oh, hello. The cruiser boat that the bus came on. This is cool. So go back in. I'm assuming one of these is the toilet. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, bath. And then they've got a Disney Cruise Line like toiletries, which is pretty cool. Taking some ados. And oh, a toilet and a sink in here, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty nifty. And then I guess this is our, oh, it's quite a lot of space. And those are life jackets. Quite a lot of space. There's the one, and then there's another one. Oh wow, and a safe. Cool, it's quite spacey for a cruise ship. Very impressed. Right, we're gonna go have some food because it's like 10 to 2 and the food stops serving at 3. That's one downside of getting the Disney cruise from the resort is you get here quite late, but we're fine because we're not actually planning on doing much in NASA tomorrow. So we've arrived on the ship and we are now having some lunch. So I mean the amount of food is ridiculous, so we've only looked at a little bit, but this will do for our lunch. This is the corridor of never ending. We thought one at the beach club was never ending.
It's gonna get your steps up here.
Yeah. We were worried because I'm on day 61 of meeting my watch goal, which is like set quite low, like 3:20, but we've got a competition between my brother and his wife and Mark, and I was worried that I can lose but not all these steps. We're gonna get off at NASA tomorrow just to get our steps apparently, and then come back on and eat all the food. This is cool. Or the top deck. Adults only. Done some shopping. Well, I like these Disney cruise bags. Mark's not very well, so I've left them in the room. Hopefully when I get back in, he will be feeling better.